Hey guys, it's Parth. Our today's video is on teamwork and communication skills. This is the most important skill which we all should have in our daily life. If we will have, we will easily control a team, or we can be easily a great team leader. So let's move on our today's video. So our first topic is, what is teamwork? Teamwork simply means working together with a group of people to achieve a goal. When we work as a team, we share ideas, divide tasks, and support each other. Everyone contributes something, and that makes the work easier and better and achievable. It makes successful our work. So let's move on our next. So next point is, why is teamwork important? We just studied that what is teamwork. Now let's study why teamwork is important. Teamwork helps us to finish the task faster because everyone is helping. It also allows us to learn new things from different peoples. It builds trust and help us to make our new friends and encourages our creativeness because many minds come together to find solution. Here's a small example. Once a group of people had to build a science project together. In one school, some students had to uh, make the science project. At the first, they argued about whose idea was best. They argued for who is the best one, who is very nice, whose idea is great, and who will be successful. The project wasn't moving forward. Then one student who was intelligent suggested dividing the task one by one, means dividing the task to all. One would research, another would design, and another would represent. They represent. They also argued to listen carefully to each other's suggestion. Slowly, the argument stopped and the project started taking shape. On presentation day, their teamwork and clear communication impressed everyone. They won the first prize. This showed them that when people cooperate and listen, success come more easily. This was the short story for example. So let's move on next slide. What is communication? Communication means expressing our thoughts, ideas, and feelings clearly to other. Good communication help avoid confusion and make sure everyone understands what they need to do. Communication is very important in one or two peoples. It is very important because it will cause the friendship or build the more trust in each other. Important to remember, without proper communication, team may face confusion or misunderstandings, which can slow down work and create frustration. So let's move on next slide. Types of communications. Types of communication. There are four main types of communication. First is verbal communication, which is speaking clearly or speaking in front of anyone is come under the verbal communication. Second is non-verbal communication, like body language, gestures, and facial expressions. Third, written communication, such as notes or messages or chattings. And finally, there is active listening, which means paying full attention when someone else is speaking. This is the most important communication among this. So let's move on next slide. Yeah, the power of active listening. Active listening is one of the most important communication skill. It means not interrupting, staying focused, and showing that we understand. This helps to avoid misunderstanding and makes teamwork smoother. This is very important communication skill because it is having the smoother function. Let's move on next slide. Qualities of a good team member. A good team member is someone who cooperates, uh, listens carefully, and share ideas. They take responsibility, stay positive, and help others when needed. They make the team feel comfortable, motivated, and positive. They are always positive to maintain the friendly attitude and contributes to a corporate encouraging team environment. So let's move on next slide. Conflict resolution. Sometimes disagreement happens in teams. It is usual, and that's okay. What matters is how we handle them. If we are also conflicting them, it's wrong because the resolution means working through differences politely and calmly to find solution everyone can accept. Steps to resolve conflicts. First, stay calm and respectful. Listen to all sides of the story. Third, understand different opinions without judging. Fourth, work together to find a fair solution. And fifth, learn from the experience and move forward. Remember, disagreement can actually help teams grow stronger when handled with respect and understanding. Remember these key takeaways. Teamwork make dreams work. Together, we can accomplish more than we ever could alone. Every person brings unique strengths to the team. Then, second, communication is key. Clear, respectful communication is the key to the success. And third, skills for life. These are some of skills which are very useful in your school, in your future, in your career. Thank you for listening me this gratefully. And always remember to be calm and patient while resolving your conflicts. Bye.